Oliver Pursche, one stock you like over at Bruderman Brothers is American Express. They've certainly taken their hits lately with the end of the Costco deal, the end of the JetBlue partnership, and then the legal case. Tell me why you want to step in here.
Well, you're absolutely right, Greg. It's been about 12 months, a very tough 12 months for Amex, but it's still a premier financial services company. And when you look at it from a valuation perspective, when you look at it to the things that they bring to the table to high-end clients, their benefits still far outweigh what most of the competition is able to do. So it's a value play here. It's got a good dividend. It's got a strong management team. It's gotten beaten up, but if you want to own some of the financial services companies, in particular in the credit card space, because you believe that that's where the world is still going in large, then this is a great play, and American Express offers a great value at these levels.
On the flip side, you're also a fan of Intel. This stock's up, I think, over 40% in the past year. How much higher can it go?
Well, we think it can go quite a bit higher. You're getting close to a time where you're going through a corporate upgrade cycle, so the chip makers are going to benefit from that, and Intel is the premier and the largest player in that space. It also pays a good dividend, has a lot of cash on hand. We look for companies with strong balance sheets, and so that extra cash that can easily translate into a rising dividend over time. So we like that stock very much at this space.
And then finally, you also like Sanofi. This French drug maker has had a lot of volatility, let's just call it, over the past year. Lost its CEO last year because I think he wasn't French enough. It's trailed the rest of the pharma group, which has really been flying. So tell me why you want to jump in here.
Well, Sanofi is a great company with a pretty decent pipeline. They've had some pretty big missteps, but have corrected over the last few months. When we look at this stock, it has an absolutely strong balance sheet. It has a great dividend, and it's rebuilt its pipeline. And in the space that they're in, they could be making some pretty attractive acquisitions, and that's always attractive from a long-term play. Again, it's part of your core portfolio holding that you want to look at a 3 to 5 year hold, just like Intel and American Express, and not worry about the short-term events too much.
All right, thanks a lot, Oliver.
Thank you, Greg.
And thank you for watching The Street.